suffering don't matter as much as I thought they did. And then you talked about shortening time by realizing that you're going to live for 90 years or 80 years, creating great amounts of meaning. And it feels somewhat like, I don't know.
Yes, the universe is huge in size, in age, in contents. There's nothing we can put on the table that can rival those measurements that we make of the universe. However,
how big?
Well, there's the light from the most distant galaxies has been traveling for nearly 14 billion years. 10 billion years more than Earth has even existed, if you want to get a sense of that. And so, but think about it a whole other way, that if you look at the ingredients of life, not just human life, but life on Earth, and you can rank the elements. What's the number one element in life? We mentioned the human body. Number one element is hydrogen. That's contained in the H2O of the water content of your body, which, depending on how chubby you are, it can anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of your body weight is water. And all right, what's the next most abundant element in your body? It's oxygen attached to the water. Okay, H2O, and both the H and the O appear in many, many other molecules in our body, in the DNA and in your muscle tissue, all of this, and in the blood. Okay, what's third? Carbon, which you would have thought had to be somewhere on the list because you know we're carbon-based life. Fourth is nitrogen, okay? Fifth, I'll put them all together and just say other, okay? So that's the sequence of elements. And now you say, what are the sequence of elements in the universe? The number one is hydrogen. The number two is helium, but that's chemically inert. You might remember from high school chemistry. You can't do anything with it anyway. Helium. Next in the universe, oxygen. Next, carbon. Next, nitrogen. Next, other. Okay, so we are 1 for 1 matched to the ingredients of the universe. And one of the gifts of 20th century astrophysics is gifts to civilization is where those